going to be doing control arms on a 2011 BMW X-Drive 328i. There's been a lot of play in the bushing, so I'm going to replace them. Alright, so I'm going to show you what bolts we got to do. It's pretty easy. You just got to take this bolt off down here. I believe it is a 15/16, and then back here there's a bolt with a nut on the other side, and they're both 18 millimeters, and you just loosen them, and then this whole arm will come right off. So I'm going to loosen that bottom bolt first. Actually came off very easily. So that little guy right there. Alright, so we're going to come over here and loosen up the nut and the bolt. It's 18. I got a ratcheting wrench to make things a little bit easier. Alright, and here's the nut right there. And we just got to pull that bolt through. And there's the bolt. Goes right through. Last but not least, probably gonna have to hit this out because it's probably stuck right on there. You could hit right there with a dead blow or some kind of hammer to break that free. Alright, so we're gonna hit that right there. Might be broken loose. And take a pry bar and kind of wedge it out. See if it's broken loose. Nope. Nope, we're gonna have to hit that some more. Alright, took a little bit of hammering, but I finally got it out. Throw that thing over there. And it's time to put the new one in. Alright, so I'm going to put the new one in. Line that up where it belongs. Alright, so that's going to sit in there. Then you're going to take that bolt that you took out from before with the 18 millimeter. And we're going to run that through just to get it in place for now. There we go. Run that through. To the other side. And I'm going to take the 18 millimeter nut and hand tighten that on the other side, just for the time being. Alright, that's on. And the last step, we're going to line this up and put that nut on. You can see, go right in there. Just can't thread that for now. Alright, I'm going to hammer that on. Alright, so the last step is to tighten the nut and bolt, and they're both 18 millimeter.